Cardano is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that especially has a truly present worth of $0.515908 and a market capitalization of $18,265,557,727. Digital currencies for the most part have long past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a significant way. These days, it's a resource class that generally is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate in an unpretentious manner. Some in every practical sense, huge venture banks even explicitly gain Cardano and by and large other digital forms of money all at once to in a real sense, safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, which truly is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the right time to in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and truly long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ADA market that truly depend on the readings of our sort of one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with measuring the market opinion and essentially expect where in which the market means to go. Or so they really thought. At this point, the cost of Cardano truly is $0.515908, while the coin presently certainly winds up at 8th spot in the really generally positioning, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The set in every practical sense, positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value, that all things considered, is duplicated by its genuinely current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a huge manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients in every practical sense get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It's likewise critical to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an unpretentious manner. On January 19, the cost of Cardano was at $0.501920 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change really added up to 3.52% in a quite enormous manner. 7 days prior, on January 13, ADA was esteemed at $0.547416, which explicitly intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has generally vacillated by 0% in a sort of significant manner. A month prior, on December 20, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.589850. In this way, the coin generally has made a 12.54% move to arrive at its extremely present standings in a real sense. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main for the most part factor that we by and large consider while making the cost expectation, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. It means quite a bit to keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey, to truly have a kind of clear perspective on where the market truly is going in a very huge manner. The examination of market capitalization especially conveys pretty equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, which is genuinely critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to fundamentally decide the kind of generally position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which basically is very huge. Changes in market capitalization exceptionally sure or especially negative truly are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both most certainly short and really long-haul points of view in an especially significant manner. This truly specific truly metric basically is likewise used to measure the predominance of Cardano, comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in an unobtrusive manner. To decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of ADA, we especially duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will be truly made sense of later, by the in every way that really matters, present worth of the digital money under survey, which sort of is genuinely huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano sort of stands at $18,265,557,727, which shapes the reason for the especially present kind of positioning especially was referenced before, which essentially is very critical. Yesterday, on January 19, ADA explicitly had a market capitalization of $17,767,335,344, showing it currently is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid, And by and large long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that sort of depend on the readings of our extremely special crypto unpredictability record that for the most part assists us with measuring the market feeling and essentially expect the course where the market plans to sort of go in an unpretentious manner. Keep going week. On January 13th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $19,376,160 win 194 versus the in a real sense thought. A month prior, on December 20th, the market worth of Cardano sort of was evaluated to truly be $20,848,244,103 as opposed to mainstream thinking. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in an unobtrusive way. These digital currencies can really be utilized either for truly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This fundamentally metric additionally figures the coins that truly have been transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which for the most part is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the very complete stock of Cardano in a real sense is laid out at 36,542,697,460 ADA in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the circling supply in every way that really matters is utilized to for the most part work out the market capitalization and by and large survey the coins fundamentally current remaining in the positions in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking. It signifies the in every practical sense by and large measure of ADA that certainly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in a real sense put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which basically shows that adjustments of market capitalization in every practical sense, positive or negative in every way that really matters, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both, for the most part short and essentially long-haul points of view. Amazingly, it's by and large accepted that digital currencies that generally have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million by and large are the most appropriate for in every practical sense long-haul speculation, since they fundamentally are generally in every practical sense prone to by and large value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this crossroads, Cardano for the most part has a circling supply of 35,404,681,208 coins, or so they thought. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $453,376 win 140 win. Yesterday, on January 19th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $381,652,333 in an essentially significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 13th, how much ADA that sort of was traded between market members in every practical sense was assessed at